already explained introduction of statistics. Now I want to go to explain about the mode, yes, and median also. Yeah, ungrouped data to grouped data. Here already he given grouped data. Two columns he already given. Comparatively mean and median mode is comfortable. How it is comfortable means why? Because tabular form what he given, just we have to take it only that one. But come to the mean and median, we have to go to the extension of tabular form. But mode what he given, in that only we will get everything. See here about the number of cars and frequency he given. Okay. In these numbers 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15 and 8. What is the greatest number? 20. That one you have to take it as F1. The greatest number we need to take it as F1. Preceding number F0. Succeeding number is F2. Side one is known as model class. Side one is known as model class. The starting number is known as lower limit. Lower limit. Okay. So here mode, what is the formula for mode? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. F1 minus F0. Denominator also like that. F1 minus F0. 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Learn the formula perfectly. L plus F1 minus F0. Denominator also like that. 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now you have to substitute all the values in this formula. First point, tabular form, write in a proper manner. Second point, learn and write the formula in a perfect manner. Third point, substitute the values in the formula clearly. Last, simplification part, where most of the students will miss. Do the simplification very carefully. Okay, L means lower limit. What is lower limit? 40 plus F1. What is the greatest number? That is, we have to take it as F1 minus F0, that is 12. 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. H means the difference between class intervals. The difference 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 40 to 50, 70 to 80. What is the difference? It is 10. So H is equal to 10. Okay. Just in the tabular form, everything note down. It is F1, it is F0, it is F2, it is L. Everything better to circle it and write it. That is easy to you. F0, F1, F2. Yes, as increasing order. Increasing order. F0, F1, F2. But everything is depending on the greatest number. Everything is depending on the greatest number. What is the greatest number? 20. That one you have to take it as F1. The greatest number you have to take it as F1. Before number is F0. Next number is F2. Side one is F. Clear? Clear. Mode is very clear. Okay. Substitute everything. 20 minus 12 is 8. 2 20s are 40. Minus 12 minus 11. Minus 23 into 10. 40 plus 8. 40 minus 23. How much? It's 17 into 10 by 1. Multiply numerators, multiply denominators. So 40 plus 8 tens are 80. 17 ones are 17. So 80 by 17. 80 by 17. Either you can go to LCM, otherwise better to convert as a decimal number. 80 by 17. Convert as a decimal number. Okay. Then 40 plus 4.7. 40 plus 4. How much? 44. Point after what digit did you get? Same thing you have to write it. Point after just one digit take. Itself. It's enough. No need to do so many digits. As a 10th student, you have to convert as a decimal number. Don't leave like a fraction form. Maybe evaluator, he will cut the marks. So keep in our mind and better to practice how to convert the fractions in terms of the decimals even. Okay, it is about the mode. First tabular form, second formula, third substitution, last is simplification. Everything is clear. In tabular form, what is F1, what is F0, what is F2, what is N? Note down. Okay, then just that values substitute in the formula, which is the greatest number, that is F1. Remaining all depending on F1. When are you keeping the F1? Automatically you will get what is F0, F2, L, everything. Clear? Like that you will get the values of mode. Mode is very easy, comparatively mean and median. Next, see here you have to go for median, letters, surnames and cumulative frequency. In mode, what he given the tabular form, just only that two columns we take. But come to the median, we require one more column additionally, that is cumulative frequency. Yeah, these two information surely he will give for mean, mode and median. What additionally we have to include in the tabular form, which is required for us. Okay, come to the cumulative frequency. First number as it is 6. Next, 6 is add with 30. How much we will get? 6 plus 30 is 36. Again 36 add with the next number. 36 plus 40, how much? 76. Next again it should be add with the next number. 76 plus 16, how much? 7, 8, it's 92. 92 is add with the next number. 92 plus 4, how much? It is 96. Again 96 is add with the last number. 96 plus 4 is 100. 100. Did you understand? Cumulative frequency means you have to do the addition. First one as it is. Next onwards you have to go for add. 6. 6 plus 30, 36. 36 plus 40, 76. 76 plus 16, 92. 92 plus 4, 96. 96 plus 4, it's 100. Okay, here we got the last number as 100. Here by adding also we will get 100. We have to get 100. If we did not get 100 means somewhere you mistaken. Either this addition or this addition. Somewhere you mistaken. Surely you have to get it 100. Here the last number, how much will you get? Here some of these all the surnames also have to get it the same number. Okay. So 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Okay. 3 plus 4, 7. 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 100. Yes, we got the equal answer. Here we got 100. The last number also 100. So that is known as n. Here in the formula you are observing n. Yes, n by 2. N means this last number. So here n is equal to 100. Then n by 2 how much? 100 by 2, that is equal to 50. So in the formula we got it n by 2, that is 50. Am I right? So we got n by 2, that is 50. Now we require the remaining all the numbers. See here 50, n by 2 we got 50. In the cumulative frequency which is less than 50, that number we have to take it as CF. Here CF, did you observe? Yes, that's CF, less than 50. Which number is there? Less than 50 means it's 36. So these 36 we have to take it as CF. Did you understand? You have to take it as CF. So here n by 2 is 50, less than 50, we observed it's 36, that one we can take it as CF. And the next number side one can take it as F. Okay, can take it as F. How much it is? That next one is this one only, it is F. The side one only, median class. Median class, the first number is known as L. L means lower limit. L means lower limit. L is 7. F means 40, CF means 36. Everything is clear. Still we require H. What is H? The difference between class intervals. Class intervals 1 to 4. What is the difference? 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13. It's very clear. H is equal to 3. The difference between the class interval. So H is equal to 3. Everything we got, just we have to substitute in the formula. L means 7 plus n by 2 means just now we did, that is 50, minus CF means 36, just here we wrote, by F means that is 40. H means the difference between class intervals. Whatever is the class interval you are taking, surely you will get the equal. If it is not equal, then you have to do some more solution even, which is required for make them difference are equal. So L 7 50 minus 36. How much? It's 14. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 14 by 40 into 3. Okay, into 3. Now multiply numerators, multiply denominators. 7 plus 14 3s are, it's 42 by 40. Do you have any chance for cancellations? Cancel it. Did you observe any cancellations? It's clear. Two table has these two numbers, 21, 20. That is equal to 7 plus 21 by 20. 21 by 20. Here we got 7 plus 21 by 20. Already I said 21 by 20. Either convert as decimal number, otherwise go for LCM. Anything we can. Okay. So here 21 by 20. How to convert? If you want, can go through 21, 20. 20 ones are 20. 1 is reminder, point 0. Again 10 is smaller than 20. Still we require one more 0. Okay, then here one more. 20 table 100 you have 5 times. That is 100. So here you got 21 by 20 means 1.05. So 7 plus 1.05. 7 plus 1, point before number we have to add with the whole number. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8.05. That is known as answer, median for given data. Is it clear? Still do you have any doubts? Okay, like this you have to find median. Okay. Yes. Number of letters are names cumulative. So here the tabular form he will give, just the cumulative frequency you have to find additionally in median. In median you have to find additionally this cumulative frequency. That means first one as it is. Next by adding you will get the next number. N means the last number, sum of frequencies. Sum of frequencies, how much you will get. Here how much you will get. The last number also you have to get it the same answer. When these both will match, then only your simplification is correct. Otherwise somewhere you mistaken. Again you have to go for simplification. Surely you have to get it. Here these both numbers must be equal. That is known as n. What we required? N by 2 divide by 2. You got some answer. Come to this sum, you got n by 2 is 50. So 50 less than 50 in cumulative frequency. Which number is there? That one you have to take it as CF. N by 2. What answer you are getting? Less than that number. What number is there? That one you have to take it as CF. And the next side number is F. Next side number, median class. The starting number is known as lower limit. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L means lower limit. N by 2, the total frequency divided by 2. CF is cumulative frequency, which is the less number than n by 2. F means in the frequency. Basing on the CF we have to write it H. the difference between the class intervals. Everything you have to write it. Cumulative frequency, first find n by 2, then this less number you need to write it, next number f, median, class. Okay, same like mean, mode or median, whatever it is. Tabular form, half of the marks you will get it. So concentrate on tabular form. Next formula. Next substitution, last simplification. In the tabular form you have to mention what is n by 2, what is CF, what is L, what is F. Okay, everything you have to mention in this tabular form which is comfortable to you only. Okay, then substitute in the formula. It is about mode and median. Mode L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Median L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, both are very easy. Just once or twice you have to practice it. Come to the mode, no need to extend the tabular form. What he given the information, in that highest number take it as F1. Proceeding number F0, succeeding number F2, side number is L. H means difference between class interval. How easy the mode class, how easy this mode. Easily you can substitute in the formula, will get it. Only median, one column extension of the tabular form. That is cumulative frequency. Just normal addition. First number as it is. Add with second number. Add with third number. Add with fourth number. Normal additions. Normal additions. Do additions in a proper manner. N means sum of the frequencies n by 2 divided by 2. Then the small number in cumulative frequency. Less than 50, which number there in cumulative frequency, that is F. The next side is F, next is L, substitute in the formula. Everything is, I hope you are clear. Still you have any doubts, comment to me, I will respond. It is about mode and median. Surely you will get the good score in this statistics topic, which is very easy and very comfortable. Okay, but without fail you have to go for like, share and subscribe. Thank you.